Okay guys, market just opened. It's 7:30 in the morning my time. Okay, we're gonna trade the open. We're not gonna wait the 1 minute. Okay, got the first one winner. Using two contracts, okay? Just using two contracts. For example, you won 91 right now, okay? So if you were copying 2 or 3 accounts, you could have been $600 up and you would have been done for the day. Okay, so you need to take this trading, okay, very professionally. Don't focus on I want to win a lot of money and no guys, this is just take it slowly. Okay, if you can go to micros, go to micros. Okay, so just test it slowly. Okay, so you tell me, okay, well, can I trade the Nasdaq? Why would you trade the Nasdaq? Why? The Nasdaq is a market that is thinly traded. It has almost no volume, so it's very difficult in the opening if you're gonna be profitable. It's a gamble. Sometimes you will win, or sometimes you will lose. Or if you have a lot of money and you can be buying, combines or tests or from prop firms. Okay, be my guest. It's up to you. I cannot stress anymore to tell you what you need to do, guys. This is very careful. You need to be careful with what you do. Okay, so if you can, because you can lose. Okay, what we're trying here is not to lose that much. Okay, so if I lose, maybe I can stop. Okay, I can stop. Maybe the market is, as you can see, market is consolidating now. Okay, so it's not trending. Let's see, they don't know where you're gonna go. If you do this manually, you're gonna be stopped out, and you're gonna buy and short, and in 2 or 3 stops you're done. It's better to let the algorithm do the job for us, guys. Okay, for example, you see this trade. Okay, you can close it manually, guys. Okay, it's not necessary that you leave the market trading by themselves. You can close the trades manually too. Okay, on that one, second winner, it's 383 minus commissions. Okay, if you're trading 3 accounts, that would be $1,000. Okay, we now got another short here. Okay, guys, that's it for today. It's we are 574. As you can see, we didn't lose one trade, but there's gonna be days that you're gonna lose because the manipulation, as you see here, we were selling, but the markets. This is defending volume here. You can see 642 contracts. It was like a break even, but they were trying to defend the position, so they tried to push it up, but you know you cannot fight the volume. It's impossible. They couldn't support it, and the market was gonna go down, and it went down. Okay, guys, so we're almost finishing the program. Okay, so I've been making videos for you to see. Okay, this is market open, real time. It's not replay. It's not nothing. It's a real market data. Okay, so I mainly designed this, guys, because I want you to be good with prop firms. Okay, so people, as you can hear, Apex paying millions of dollars to people, and they all are trading in sim. So what does that tell you? That people even trading in sim, they have the benefit of no slippage. Okay, so if you're trading live, you're gonna have slippage. Sometimes the broker they put you in when you're trading in on futures. Sometimes they put you in a sim environment. They do the same thing because one day I was trading with a broker, and I never had slippage. Okay, so that makes me think, because these guys really want you to fail. They already know that you're gonna fail. They say, okay, this guy put $3,000 into this account. He's gonna lose it. Okay, he's gonna tilt. That's because that's the COVID of trading is tilt. Do you know what tilt is? Go Google search it. Okay, tilt is when people loses control of themselves. Okay, that's the problem with trading. Trading puts you in a position that if you lose, you want to recoup. So it's a natural thing, defense in ourselves, and that's when people just loses it, and it loses the account in one day. That's the main problem. That's why these guys can sell and profit from sim traders, because even in sim the people cannot control themselves. They want to keep on trading, and they cannot go small. They want to go big. So that's the main problem too. Recouping all those profits and all that is, they know people need money, so they know they're gonna have that tilt chip into them. So it's very, you need to think about it. Okay, put attention to that, and don't get into that type of environment. Okay, guys, so that was it for today. Let's see, later on in the day we can trade the Nasdaq, and this program, guys, is designed for you to put money on your table and replace your 9-to-5 job. Okay, so it is very important for you to understand. You cannot find any program on the web, on YouTube. Let me know which program can do this, okay, in front of you, and win money without making anything. Nobody. Okay, so I'm just trying to give a little bit to the people, and some people say, well, why do you sell it? Why don't you sell it more expensive? Because I do not own the market. I'm not the owner of the market. I can go, there's like 40 prop firms out there. You don't know the ones that are in Europe. There's a lot of prop firms down there too. So I don't need to, I don't care. So the thing is that this is mainly designed for my customers. Okay, the people that has been for me for more than 5 years. Okay, so this is a complement, strategy for them to be and have a good life. Okay, guys, this was a tough for me to find. This program is nothing that you can find anywhere. You will not find it. You can You can do all those garbages of forums. They will just give you garbage. They will just give you garbage and recycle garbage in the same indicator with 10 different names, and they will talk like they own the market, and they talk very fancy, and we're special, and we can do this, we can do that, and it's garbage. It doesn't work, guys. They just want you to pay the fees for their forums. They just want you to have you in the just taking your money. We're promoting this, we're promoting that. They just cutting off a percentage. They're crooks, guys. They're crooks. They don't want you to be profitable. They just want your money. It's all that it is. They're platforms. They just want your money. Okay, so you need to find an edge. Don't fall into all that stupid garbage, because it's worthless information. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.